Okay, we're walking into the Quinta Inn Family Suite number 609. It's not quite what we expected. Maybe it will be what someone else expects. But you walk in and there's a, refrigerator, vanity kind of area, coffee. There's a closet over here, spacious little closet. Bathroom with a shower, toilet sink, all the towels and necessities you would need. And as you walk in, there are two beds. We kind of expected a bed in each room, but that's okay. Two beds, a great view out the 609 window. We'll take a look at that in a minute. Nice size television, desk with lots of drawers, and then we walk into the next room, which is kind of the living room area. So if you have a late night person like we do, that person can stay up late. This couch folds out into a bed, and behind me here we've got a bathroom again, with a toilet sink and shower. Nice spacious showers in here. Clean room. Hard floors. In this room we also have another refrigerator and coffee maker. This door is not working currently. Who knows when you come stay here if it will be, but there's another closet over here and another nice big television, and we've got a view of the pool down below as well as the ocean and Cocoa Beach Pier. And we'll just walk over here and we'll take a look at the patio in this room. It's a really big room, which is nice. There's an air conditioner on each side. They don't seem to be working super well, but we'll see as time goes on here. But this is the patio. My wife is here. And our children are in the pool below, so we can keep an eye on them from way up here. But we got this room for the view.